Have you ever sat down to create a YouTube video, opened your YouTube studio, looked at your subscribers, looked at your watch time, and just felt tired? Not because you don't want to grow, but because you do not genuinely know what else to do again. You've watched videos, you've tried tips, you've posted consistently, but your channel still feels stuck. Now, if this sounds like you, please listen to the end of this video, because what I'm about to share might be the simplest breakthrough you've been looking for. See, I've been there. I know how it feels to open your YouTube studio, refresh your analytics, and still there is no change. I know how frustrating it is to hear people say, just be consistent, just trust the algorithm, just keep posting, but nobody actually shows you what to do next. Nobody tells you what video to create, what titles to use, how to think like the YouTube algorithm, how to increase your watch time hours, how to grow your subscribers as a small channel. And that's the problem. Most struggling YouTubers are not lazy. They are simply confused. And that confusion is exactly why I created this. Good news, guys. I just launched something called the YouTube Growth Prompt Vault. And no, this is not another long theory course. This is not a motivation course. This is not believe in yourself content. Guys, this is a tool, a simple practical prompt vault that shows you how you can actually input simple prompts into AI, especially ChatGPT, and it will literally help you to grow your channel very fast. You don't need to understand the algorithm, you don't need experience, and you don't need to be tech savvy. You just need to copy and paste. Inside this prompt vault, you're going to find prompts that will help you discover the right niche for your channel in case you've been posting on a particular niche and you're not making headway. It's going to help you discover the right niche for your channel. It's going to help you generate content ideas that rank for small channels. In case you don't know, there are specific content ideas that small channels can actually leverage on and grow faster. It is not every content idea you should create as a small channel. It will help you to generate videos that will increase your watch time hours and your session time, because you need watch time hours for you to get monetized. It will help you fix videos on your channel that are getting low views. It will help you understand why YouTube is not recommending your content. And above all, it's going to help you grow your subscribers count without begging people to subscribe to your channel. This prompt is specifically designed for small channels, beginners, creators that are struggling, people with under 1,000 subscribers, people chasing 4,000 watch time hours. No, this is not for big creators with teams. This is for real people. Now, here is how simple this prompt is. All you need to do is to open the prompt vault, copy a prompt, paste it into ChatGPT or any AI tool, preferably ChatGPT. All you simply need to do is to replace the bracketed words with your details. Boom! Apply the result to your channel and start seeing growth. So if you've ever felt you've been trying your best but nothing is working, if you're tired of watching others grow while you are still stuck, if you're scared that you might waste another year on YouTube and your watch hours is not still complete, please hear this. You are not failing. You are just missing a clear direction. And sometimes direction is all you need to move forward. I intentionally made this course very affordable. So if you're in Nigeria, you can actually get this for just 5,000 naira. And if you're in diaspora, you can get it for $5. This is actually less than what you spend in a day, but it can completely change how you start seeing YouTube. I've dropped the link in the description box or in the comment section of this video. Do well to click it and get access to yours. Thank you for watching. Bye.